Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's day 14 of the 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. If you are following along with all these pages I'm doing for this 30 days of sketches and you want to get involved, I will link the group down below. I think I've forgotten to do that. I'm not sure if I have in the description box till now. But yeah, and this is series 15. So there's lots of previous series on the Facebook group. They're all in a album, and you just go through and use as many of them as you want, and they are fantastic for inspiration. But anyway, this is series 15, day 14, and the sketch is brought to you by Nikki Ihus, which I have I think it's Instagram or YouTube, I'm not sure. Nikki's Scrapbooking Adventures. So fantastic sketch, something really different, and I have a really cool plan for this one. So this is the photo I am using. It is actually a print of, or a photo of the Monsters Inc. cover for the movie. Sorry, roundabout way to say that this is a picture that I just grabbed off the internet and printed out. This movie, hang on a minute. Oh, sorry, got a frog. This movie was the first one that my son actually sat still long enough to watch anything for any period of time. He was, I think, 18 months too, and we didn't know at the time, but he had ADHD. We just thought he was a very active little boy. But anyway, so he was fascinated by this movie, and we watched it over and over and over again. So I had this paper in my stash from years and years ago, and I thought it'd be really cool to actually document this story, because I don't think I have in the past. And I do have a photo of him sitting on his little fold-out lounge watching the TV, but I can't actually find it. And that was a photo of him glued to the TV for ages. Yeah, so anyway, these are the papers I'm using. They're from Reminisce Monsters range, and I don't know if there's a date. No, sorry, no date. But I would have bought them in the early 2000s. So lots of really bright, fun colours for kids' pages. I've got lots of scraps here. I did buy a lot of this collection, but I don't think I've really used it much. So they're my scraps, and then I have all these full pages left. So I did buy quite a few, as you can see. I think I have 2 of those and 2 of those, and I've already got half sheets there. But anyway, they're the papers I am using, but I'm not using them as pieces of paper, if that makes sense, because on the sketch she's just got lots of arrows. So I remembered I had this arrow die from Alt New. It's follow your arrow stamp set and matching die. So I thought I could use this big die here and cut out from those pattern papers, because they are very busy. So I die cut beforehand a heap of arrows from the patterned paper. Some there's double-sided, so like I can use either the googly eye side or the green and blue side. Same with this one. I can use the monsters. I've probably got a few more monsters cut out better than that. And then the reverse side is just a colourful check. And then we've got the scary one. And then on the reverse side, some of those I purposely cut out. Maybe I didn't, to have the monsters on them. But anyway, they are... oh, I'm so sorry about this frog. They are the arrows you can see in the sketch. I'm going to be using those. And then I have other embellishments. Haven't even opened these. Oh, I'm so sorry. So this is the same collection. There you go, 2009. That's how old this collection is. Wow, and I paid $7 back then for this packet of stickers. Holy dooly. Yeah, so these are my embellishments to go along with my arrows. And my title, I think, is simply going to be Monsters. So not going to come up with anything fancy. Going to use what's there. And I have white scrap to back my photo on, and then the base of the layout will be on this blue cardstock. So that is what I am doing. So let's get this page started. okay, there's my page. I think the arrows look really, really cool, and that is a fantastic idea for a sketch. Something really, really different. Yeah, there it is. I like it. And putting the arrows down and mixing the papers was relatively easy. I thought I'd be fiddling around with it for ages to get the placement right, but I think I just randomly grabbed them, put them down, made sure there wasn't two the same together, and I think I got the distribution okay. And using just the stickers as embellishments worked. I didn't want to put anything else on there. I think it was enough. I did add the white tag that I cut in half because I felt that the embellishment clusters were getting lost in the arrows, so I needed something to draw your attention to them, and the little bit of white makes them pop a bit more from the background and also ties in with the white around the photo. And then they are a arrow shape, so they fit quite well. So that is my page. If you've liked this, give it the thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and consider hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thanks for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.